Le nzalelwane yaseMangaung ikhe yamela iFree State kwimidlalo efana nehockey nasekudadeni kwicandelo labaselula. Ube ngugqirha wokuqala wasetyhini kwi-Eastern Province Rugby Union.
With any profession, both corporate and in sport, it's always a challenge when you go into a new environment. But I think it's the way you challenge yourself, and I've always been one to be professional, and actions speak louder than words. So if I gain the trust of the team and the players, then I feel, we're on equal ground.
Umdlalo wombhoxo yinto yasekhaya kuba umyeni wakhe uBarend wayeyinxalenye yeqela leFree State Cheetahs elaphumelela iCurrie Cup ngo-2005. uBarend uqeqesha eJapan ngoku.
She's always been professional. She always gives her athletes, might it be athletes or rugby players or soccer players or cricket players, she always gives them 100% of her commitment. So yeah, I'm very proud of her about what she achieved in the short span of time actually.
I've always wanted to be one of the representatives of our country as a team doctor. I think as a small child that's been one of my goals. Looking at my hero Andre Venter at that stage, I was always a big lover of the sport of rugby.
Lo mama wamawele wenza i-masters kwizifundo zokuba ngugqirha wezemidlalo. Thabo Daniels kwindaba ze-SABC eBhayi.